Hey, it's Hannes. Welcome to this video. I'm about to show you Nothing Else Matters. So we start out, of course, with the big intro everybody knows. We pluck with our thumb the low E string, then with the index finger the G string, with the middle finger the B string, and with the ring finger we pluck the E string, and then we go back to the B and to the G string. Okay, let's do this. Repeat. E, G, B, E, B, G, E, G, B, E, B, G string. You do that 4 times, but in the 4th time we're starting out with the rest of the intro. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're just going to the B string with E, G, B, E, B, and we don't play the G string, but we go back to the high E string and put our ring finger in the 7th fret of it, and we play it. So, 4th time. And now it goes after that. So, we pluck both E strings here, still having the ring finger in the 7th fret. So with the thumb and the ring finger. And then B and G string with the middle and the index finger. Then again, the E string, still with the ring finger in the 7th fret. So, and then you do a pull off. That means that you pull the finger from the fretboard downwards in that direction, so you pluck the open E string with your left hand. So, and right after that you play the B and the G string. So from the top, I play the 4th time of the intro. Again. Then it goes on with low E string and G string. And then again the ring finger in the 7th fret of the E string, but then you pluck the B and the E string at the same time. With the middle and the ring finger, of course. The fingers are always responsible for the same string. And then you put the pinky in the 8th fret and only plug the B and the E string again. So, and now comes the hard part. You go back in the 7th fret, pluck the string, make a hammer on and pull off with the pinky back to the ring finger, and a pull off to the index finger, which is waiting in the 5th fret. So you better line those fingers up, index in the 5th fret, ring finger in the 7th fret, and then you do a exercise on your own there. Ring finger, pluck the string, do a hammer on, pull off, pull off. Hammer on, pull off, pull off. So there. from the very top, from the fourth run of the intro, the very intro. And then it goes on with, again, both strings, B and E string, in the 7th fret of the E string, with the open B string. So, and after you did that, you put again the index finger in the 5th fret of the E string, just pluck just the E string and do a slide down the neck. So, from there, 2 strings and 1 string, and slide down. 2 strings, 2 strings, 1 string. 2 strings, 1 string. 2 strings, 2 strings, 1 string. 2 strings and 1 string. And open E string again, the high E string. So from the beginning, from the 4th time of the intro, strings, 2, 1, 2 strings, 1, open E string. And now we're going to a really cool chord, an A minor chord in a really special version. Ring and pinky go in the 5th fret of the G string, the ring finger, and the 5th fret of the B string with the pinky. And then you pluck with the thumb the A string. Index finger goes for the G string, middle finger to the B string, and ring finger to the high E string. Okay? And then G, B. And now, really hard time here. Index finger needs to go to the 2nd fret of the E string, while the both fingers here remain in their place. Really tough stretch there. Try to do that first on your own, without plucking any strings, getting your fingers in position. So. And then you do a pull off to the open E string again. You see that, the index finger here? Sorry. Pull off and B, G string. A, G, B, E. And then you pluck all 4 strings at once, the A string, G, B, and E string. Then the index finger goes to the 2nd fret of the A string, and then to the 3rd fret. And always all 4 strings plucked. So from the intro to there. Two strings, 1 string. 2 strings, 1 string, and then again the A string, you go up, string, then A, G, B, G, and then we need to play the 3rd fret of the high E string. You can do that with the index finger too, you can move from there to there, but I like to do it with the middle finger, but depends how good you are with stretches already. So do a 3rd fret E string and pull off again, and then B, G. Again, all 4 strings we plucked before. So. And then you move that up a whole step to the position with the 5th fret and 7th fret here. 5th fret, A string with the index finger, and 7th fret with the ring and the pinky, the G and B string. So you pluck again the A, G, B and E string, again the A string, G, B, G. And then it comes a very cool move. Open E string, hammer on in the 5th fret with the index finger and the pull off again. Then you go with the ring finger and the 7th fret of the B string. Do a pull off, open B string, and hammer on in the 5th fret of the B string. Sorry. Hammer on, pull off, hammer on, pull off. And then we have the final low E string, and then. So what we are doing here is, I have to put my guitar a little bit more up here so you can see it. I just place my middle finger over the 12th fret, but I don't push down the strings. I just create natural harmonics. I'm just over the fret, you know, over the metal thing there. Then I create those really nice overtones there, those harmonics. So open E string, and on the way back I'm going just for a normal G, B and G again. B, G, E, G, B, E, B, G. So let's play the whole thing in total really slow. If it's still too fast for you, you can turn down the speed and the preferences of this YouTube video. So check that out too if it's too fast for you. Whole intro. Third time. And now the 4th time, and it starts. Nothing else matters. The intro on a beautiful acoustic guitar. Metallica themselves play that live on electric guitars, so don't worry if you have just electric guitar. Fits totally fine too, you can play the same stuff there. And I'm really glad you watched this video. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to the Wall of Guitar, new to my channel, check out my crash course in the description. You get a lot of nice tips for free there in that crash course to get started on the guitar. Thanks for watching, I'm Hannes, and see you in the next video. Take care, bye!